What's going on, guys? Christian here from CK Wraps. I've just finished up wrapping the McLaren 570S. This color looks amazing. This is Hexus Pitch Blue Metallic Gloss. This is a fun car to wrap. A really unique project. We've done a two-tone. So what we've done here by the customer's request is left a bunch of areas gray and then had wrapped over a lot of the majority of the area with the Pitch Blue Metallic Gloss from Hexus. This film, very glossy, very deep color. Not the glossiest, even as far as films go, but I'm going to take you for a tour around this car right here and talk about what I've done. If you guys are looking for disassembly videos like how did I take the mirror off, our mirror is fully out. Or how did I wrap the fender, or how did I wrap whatever part on this car right here. Check out my website, ckwraps.com. I'll put a link in the top corner and in the description below for you. Let's go over the car now and have a look at it and see what it looks like. If anyone's familiar with McLaren's Vega Blue, Google that. You'll see that the two-tone is a thing. It's a common thing. With this, almost this exact color actually. It's very, very close. I'm going to actually take you outside as well so you can see what this color looks like outside. I haven't seen it outside myself yet. Very cool, very unique. Again, not the glossiest, but it has a nice color to it. It's completely scratchless. It's actually very good self-healing film. A little bit more challenging to work with Hexus. You do have to heat your edges down very well. You have to post-heat a lot. Here's the mirror, and two-tone on the mirror. It was a fun piece to wrap. And then taking it off, obviously there's no seam on the top here, so I did remove the mirror. I did take the mirror apart as well. So we kept the darker gray inside the door. It looks incredible. I'll take you for this from the side here. You guys want to have a peek inside? I don't know if anyone has ever seen one of these, but it's a pretty interesting little car. I love the aggressive styling of the door when you open it up. It looks amazing. Very low. Very low. Feels like you're sitting on the floor. A very cool car. Very electronic, very minimal on the interior. Not too much going on in there. Love the combination of the red and the black. Really nice. Let's close this guy up. You can see how far I went into the door jamb. Not terribly far. We can also see how I did it around the back side of the door right here. Nothing too much. We just go what we need to. It keeps the lines clean, keeps everything looking good. All in here, there's a little bit of fluff here from wiping it off yesterday. Let me get that off. There we go. Very crazy contour on this rear quarter panel. There's not a lot of flat spots on this car. The flattest spot being like the lower section of the door. And I show how to wrap the door top and bottom on the website. This section right here is a pretty interesting little piece too. You'll see, I don't know if you can see it, but there is a seam there. You can't really see it. On the Vega Blue one, this thing is normally carbon fiber down, I believe it's carbon fiber down the middle, and then down the back section as well. It's stunning, stunning color. Looks really good on it with the gray. All up in there. I didn't have to remove the front bumper to do it. It was a little bit challenging, but it wasn't impossible. Let's take it outside so I can show you what it looks like in the sun. Well, look at that. That looks pretty incredible. This is what it looks like in the sun, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful. Stunning. As far as aggressive styling goes on cars, this is definitely one of them. I love the shape and I love the styling of it. This 570S, again, they have other models, but just kind of give you a walk around what the car looks like. Why not show you the inside as well? It's not every day you see one of these things. Let's give you the appearance of what the doors look like while they're open, and show you what this guy looks like, because it's an awesome car. I've never driven one. I bet it handles great. Could be wrong, but that's pretty cool, right? Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the walk around video inside and outside. I did want to take you for a little tour of that. I do have other upcoming projects that'll be happening on YouTube. Stay tuned for those, and that's about it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it very much. Take care.